Hello, this is Sailor with Range Bank. I will be giving you a tutorial on how to use Range Bank's MyFinance tool. In this video, we will be covering goal setting within MyFinance. Goal setting helps you reach a financial goal like saving for a house or paying off a loan. By creating a goal, you can better track how you are progressing to reach your goal over time. Now, let's set up a goal in MyFinance. Once you are in MyFinance, click the Goals tab. To add a goal, click Add Goal. Then choose the goal you'd like to achieve, or select a custom savings or payoff goal. If you are creating a payoff goal, keep in mind when tracking your goal that MyFinance does not take into account any interest rates for a loan or credit card. Now that you've selected your goal, you can name your goal and fill out the corresponding items needed to track and meet your goal. You can adjust when you will meet your goal based on payments and savings, or by a specific time frame. Once you have filled out the needed information, click Save and your goal is now set. If you'd like to set up alerts to be notified about your goal, click the Add Goal Alert button. You can select which type of alert you'd like to receive notifications on and enter the rest of your preferences. Now set your preferences for how you'd like to be notified and click Save. If you need to edit your goal, simply click the Goals tab. Select the goal you'd like to edit, make the changes, and click Save. Thanks for watching the goal setting video. We hope you enjoy Range Bank's MyFinance.